This Apple might be a shout higher as well. Stop loss needs to be here. Target maybe like 154. Pretty good. Getting good risk reward as well. So nice Apple trade here this morning. Just kind of ran out of time before Powell started speaking at 10 a.m. Did really well managing this play, keeping a small win and preventing it from becoming a big loss. So good play here. Yeah, I'm going to watch this Apple. I think the ideal entry would be like on the fake out lower here, right? That would be the ultimate entry. Basically get the overreaction flush under sort of that green candle. And then maybe there's that spot. Right, but the setup here is MA cross, right? MA cross on increasing outlier volume. Right, stronger volume than what we saw, pretty much all day yesterday. So I didn't see a volume bar bigger than that. Right, and on a 1 for 3 to the downside, we're being told that there's not a very strong trend, right? Strong daily trend here lower. So we're looking for basically like a trend reversal, right? So we got trend reversal here with the MA crossing, and then volume of that reversal, right? Or confirmation of that reversal, sorry, with that volume candle combo. Now let's see if we can get the right risk reward entry. And I'm basically, I think the best move here is, it's a little bit sloppy maybe, is to want to try to buy the fake out lower where these people panic and then look to support this. That would be the perfect A+ entry, I think. Close. So getting close here, right? Getting close here. And stop loss will be like 152. So I basically want to see the reaction between under these lows to 152. And then I'm risking 50 cents for $1.50. It's a pretty good risk reward if I can get it. Seems to be defending these lows well. So if I can get that flush through, I feel pretty confident that's the right entry. And cents away. So a big reason of wanting the fake out entry is because I'd seen the fake out already on SPY and QQQ. So I'm just kind of assuming that Apple's going to behave like the indexes until proven otherwise. So I want to be ready for that fake out entry because I've seen that fake out already not sustained on the indexes. Okay, watching here, right? So this is going to be the possible trigger. That's the lower low. And we want to see kind of like an overreaction flush here. And then that'll be the buy signal. There's that overreaction flush. And I'm in, guys. Average price 152.47. Average price 152.47. Maybe a little bit early, maybe, but I feel like that's pretty decent. So one thing on this entry is I definitely felt like I maybe should have been a bit more precise and picked like a specific target or specific price to kind of enter in on. I feel like I bought in on a little bit of a feeling. And then probably could have gotten a better entry, maybe 10 cents lower. So not terrible, but I could have made some improvements here still. Maybe 10 cents early here. But let's see if it can go. Still a pretty good entry price, I think. Okay, so far so good here, guys, right? So far so good. Really good entry. Look to take a little bit off here pretty soon. Right, I'm gonna look to take some off right around now. So at this like 75, 151, 75 if I can get it. Ooh. A little bit late on my profit target. A little bit sloppy. I didn't have that set up. So quite annoyed I wasn't actually able to lock in profit there. Just didn't get my submit button clicked in time. So a little bit frustrating. Missed that sort of, 1 hour move already. And that made this trade maybe a little bit more challenging. I want to be careful with this Tesla. That could be a little bit of a warning sign here. Still trying to take some off 152.75. That's sloppy. I didn't have that set up. Okay, come on, Apple. Let's see if you can go here. Spy's cooperating pretty well. Looks like QQQ's cooperating pretty well. So let's see if this thing can get me to that profit target and get to that risk-free. Nice, Paco. What was your profit target? What'd you hit on the options? Okay, so a few cents away from my profit target here, right? See if we can get it. 10 cents away. Fuck, it pulls back again. It's annoying. Kind of tempted to close this, I think. Thinking about this. How much time we got? 10 minutes till Powell. Okay, let's see if it has the legs here, but I'm giving this a pretty short leash. I don't like that I couldn't get to that profit target. Or that the second it hit sort of that number, I couldn't get time off to get the fill, and then it sort of rejected it and kind of hanging out. That doesn't feel the healthiest, or it's kind of giving me deja vu to the trade the other day. Okay, we're a few cents away again. 12 cents or so. The week of paper cuts. Paper cuts higher. All right, let's see if it can go. This is good from the SPY. Really good from the SPY. Good from QQQ. Can't get that profit target. Just a few pennies off, right? So I'm going to close this, guys. Yeah, like Callum's saying, the volume is kind of dried up here a little bit. So I'm just going to try to close this off. Basically as high as I can kind of stomach. If I can get like a 1, get it off here. All right, I'm out. Average price 152.63. I'm just going to pull this out prior to Powell. So a couple things were working against me here, right? Had a time kind of frame to not hold this position, to don't like holding trades going into a big news event, and just didn't feel like I got the correct price reaction to that bounce. Right? I didn't see enough enthusiasm off of those levels, so I was kind of happy to just cut it there for a small win. Nothing crazy, but I'll take it. Then Apple flushed a few minutes later. Yeah, good decision, guys. Good decision.